This is the wiring harness that was sent to me. As you can see in the back, there's a CDI box. My wiring harness didn't have that. Also, there's this control switch. The wiring harness I sent you didn't have it either. Plus, these wires were not cut. And right around here, I had markings that said 01R6. So this was not unscathed or unsheathed. Also, these plugs are more damaged than the ones I have sent to you. These are all the pictures I have on my eBay. You can see the markings of 01R6 right before the Y, and none of this is torn up. Also, you can see, sorry, there's no CDI box there. There's no control switch. Also look good. That looks good. That looks good. Still no CDI box or control switch. I also looked for this blue one. That's not on the wiring harness anywhere. I don't know what they did or what they gave you, but that's not the one I sent you.